Good afternoon. I'm David Epstein, live from DBE headquarters, where it's warm, peaceful, and my eyebrows are still attached to my face. We now go live to our correspondent Dave, who is currently outside in a snowstorm that looks like it was personally offended by it. Dave, how are the conditions out there?
Disrespectful.
Can you describe what you're experiencing?
Pain, wind, and regret.
Are you able to see anything?
No.
Not even a little.
I saw my life flash. That's it.
All right, and for our viewers at home, what's the snow like?
Aggressive, sharp, mean.
Is it sticking?
To my face.
Dave, what's the wind speed like?
Fast.
Fast as in?
As in, I'm being transported.
How's the visibility?
What visibility?
Okay, any advice for people that have to go out tonight?
Don't.
And if you already did?
Turn around, apologize, go home.
Dave, do you feel prepared for this storm?
No.
Why not?
I dressed for cute winter. This is Arctic betrayal.
For our viewers, what are you wearing right now?
Layers.
How many?
Not enough.
How's the ground out there?
Slippery.
Dangerous?
I just slid emotionally.
Dave, are you currently standing still?
I'm trying.
And is it working?
No. I'm moving against my will.
So you're saying the storm is in control?
Yes.
Dave, what's the biggest danger out there right now?
The wind, the ice, and my phone is dying.
Your phone is dying?
It's cold, it's scared, and it's leaving me.
Dave, can you hear me clearly?
Barely.
Are you okay?
No.
All right, we're going to let Dave go before the snow files a claim against him. Dave, any final thoughts for the people at home?
If you go outside tonight, you're not brave, you're just next.
Powerful words from a man actively being deleted by winter. This has been DBE Media. I'm Dave Epstein, safe at headquarters, and that was Dave, somewhere in the wind. Stay warm, stay smart, and remember, if you can avoid going out, do.